Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. Right now I'm just doing like a dog vlog, I guess. But I've already done one. That was last year. Change and y'all saw GTO, but you didn't see him in this stage, bro. Here's Willie. First dog, Willie. Alright, bye Willie. Here's Tate. Tatey girl, Willie's mom. Tatey, 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 Tatey. There went Tate. Two more. Oh yeah, guys. Squirt died a couple of weeks ago. Here's Cobra. Last time I did a vlog about Cobra, the last dog vlog I did with Cobra, he was 1 year old, now he's 2, 14 in dog years now. Alright, now, GTO, he's 13 months. GTO! Look, this rake is his worst enemy. Watch. Look how high he jumps. If he wasn't on the chain, if GTO wasn't on the chain, you guys, if his GTO wasn't on the chain, then he could freaking jump like 5 feet. And there's the dog vlog. Yeah. And I'm getting a camera for my birthday, which is in 1 month and 26 days. 1 month and 26 days. But I have a party. I have my party before my birthday. And yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get a camera, start vlogging, upload on that. I'm using my iPod. Whoa! I'm using my iPod to vlog right now, and my phone to go live. Cause my phone, I'm at my iPod, can't go live. So yeah. I'm just kidding. Guys, I have 27. I'm trying to get to 40, I guess. 40, 45. So guys, please hit that subscribe button. Like this video. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Deuce. JK! I gotta say something sad. I'm not gonna do any vlogs anymore. I'm not getting a camera. I don't know. I'm just kidding, yeah. Gotcha. Comment down below. Or tell me